Hi, welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 2 Episode 3. In this video, I'm going to share with you a sweet chili chicken wings recipe. These sticky chicken wings with a sweet and spicy mouth-watering aroma are wonderfully delicious and a perfect finger food. You may have stumbled upon a number of recipes that share the same name. But for this recipe, the chicken wings marinade is based on lemongrass spice mixture. And the marinated chicken wings then bake in the oven and later glazed with a sticky sweet chili sauce. Keep watching and I will share with you how to make these sweet chili chicken wings. Happy cooking!